We've already set MV population to this value. But what if we want to update it now that the population changed? We can just assign this variable again to its new value, which we found to be 78,128. Or if we got this new value because we knew 4,000 moved to Mountain View and 600 moved away, we could just apply those changes directly to this variable. In this line, the variable MV population is being assigned to itself plus 4,000 minus 600, which results in 78,128. Because this kind of increment and reassign operation is very common, Python actually has special assignment operators for this. Instead of using MV population twice in one line, we can actually use this plus equals operator to tell Python we are incrementing the variable on the left by the value on the right. Plus equals is one example of another assignment operator in Python. Minus equals is another. And there are a bunch more. These are actually just all of the arithmetic operators followed by an equal sign. All of these operators just apply the arithmetic operation to the variable on the left with the value on the right and makes your code more concise, which is good. Check out the text below this video for more assignment operators.